Stop paying $300 for designer fragrances. I found 5 clones that smell 99% identical for a fraction of the price.
If you want to save your money, stick with these fragrances. They are perform well. They bring compliment, mass appealing fragrances. The Black Origami from Alhambra, one of the greatest clones for Tom Ford Black Orchid. Sometimes you don't need to pay more to smell rich. You can pay less and get the best scent that you want. The similarity of Black Origami from Alhambra with Tom Ford Black Orchid, it's over 90%. You don't need to buy Tom Ford Black Orchid. Just get Black Origami, you're gonna have the same smell. I talk here about the dark chocolate with some rosy notes, Black Orchid note. Also, this fragrance is for women and men. This fragrance I tested separately. It lasts more than 12 hours. In the past, I use a fragrance. It's called Oud 24 Hours from Ard Zafaran. It's also a great clone for Tom Ford Black Orchid, but I find that the Black Origami, it's more closer to Tom Ford Black Orchid. Just stick with this scent for the cold seasons. Sometimes you don't need to pay more, as I say. I have some friends, when they discovered Fatan, they stop buying Terre d'Hermes and they stick with Fatan from Rasasi. Really, this is very, very close to the EDT version of Terre d'Hermes. Here there is that scent of lemon or like orange. So the scent is so beautiful. You can use it at any season, at any time. The scent also is performed well. It's a long-lasting fragrance. Projection is perfect, and anybody who smell you gonna turn his head. I can say here this is a masterpiece, and all these fragrances are budget fragrances, also are the best alternatives in the market for some fragrances that are so expensive. I talk about also about Parade de Nuit from Gipperlis. This is a niche fragrance from this house. This fragrance is an alternative or clone for Intoxicated by Kelia. The price of Intoxicated is more than $300. You can get Parade de Nuit with only not more than $30. You see the difference. Instead of that, you're gonna have the same smell that contain that cinnamon, lot of warm spices, sweet at the same time. This is perfect for all seasons, but I prefer to use it in the winter. It's unisex scent, long lasting. When I tested in the first time in 2019 or 2020 when I buy it, it lasts around 15 days on my clothes. 15 days. It's an eternal fragrance. I love how it smells also, and it's bring a lot of compliments. Going to another house from France called Frank Olivier. If you love the vetiver note, and that vetiver who is soapy, no harsh, no earthy vetiver, I recommend Sunrise Vetiver. This is a perfect man fragrance. This is a perfect for all seasons. It's a long-lasting fragrance, project well, and believe me, the price is not more than $20. And it's a great clone for Guerlain Vetiver. This is a great investment if you buy this fragrance. Returning to Alhambra house, this is Perfumes by Alhambra. This fragrance is also not more than $20, and it's a great clone for Picasso's by Perfumes de Marly. Here there is the nutty note and the nutty scent, almond note. Also there is some powdery notes here. I love this scent. This scent is have a similarity with Picasso's from Perfumes de Marly, more than 95%. This is a great investment when we see the price of Perfumes comparing with Picasso's de Marly. This is a great investment in the long term. And if you like this content, give me a thumb like and tell me in comments if you want me to do another fragrance review.